welcome back to my channel. London's here. Hi, 大家好，欢迎又回到我的频道，我是 London. Today I want to share with you how I make Dora the Explorer breakfast. I've been making this kind of fun breakfast for my daughter here and there, just like last time I made a Baymax breakfast. Please check that video as well if you're interested in it. Every time I make this kind of fun breakfast for my daughter, she's delighted. Yesterday, she asked me to make Dora the Explorer breakfast again, so I've decided to make this video to share with you and hope you will try it as well at home for your kids. 今天我想跟大家分享一下我是怎么做 Dora 童趣早餐。我一直会给我女儿做一些童趣早餐，就像上次我给我女儿做了大白早餐。如果你感兴趣，也请看一下上次我的视频。我女儿昨天又跟我说，可不可以给她做 Dora 的早餐？那我想说，我就做一下这个视频，跟你们分享一下，希望你们也能在家里尝试一下。那我们就开始吧。Without further ado, let's get started.Use a circle cookie cutter to cut out a circle out of one slice of bread. I'm using multigrain bread. You can use any type of bread that you prefer. 用一个圆形的饼干模具切出一个圆形作为 Dora 的脸。I'm using Seaweed for Dora's hair. 用海苔剪出 Dora 的头发的形状。Use a seaweed cutter to cut out the mouth and eyes. If you want this seaweed cutter, I'm gonna put this link down below so that you can buy it from Amazon. 用海苔刀压出 Dora 眼睛和嘴巴的形状。我的这个海苔刀是从 Amazon 上面买的，我会把 link 放在评论区，如果你喜欢的话，你也可以去看一下。I'm using a red apple. I washed and dried it. Cut out the red part. This is for Dora's t-shirt. 用一个红苹果，带皮的部分切出 Dora 的衣服和袖子。Use the small parts of the apple to cut out the sleeves. Use the inner part of the apple to cut out Dora's arms and hands. 用果肉的部分切出 Dora 的胳膊和手的形状。I wasn't very happy about the shape of the arms, so I trimmed them a little bit and changed the directions of the arms. 刚才胳膊摆的方向我不是很满意，所以我又修整了一下。Yeah, that's better.Then again use the inner part of the apple to cut out some clouds. 然后继续用果肉的部分切出一些白云的形状。Use one slice of yellow cheddar cheese, cut out the shape of the pants and an oval shape as a balloon.
Cut out a thin and long string from the seaweed to be the string of the balloon. 用海苔剪出一个长条作为气球的线。A slice of ham. Cut out a few flowers by using a flower-shaped cookie cutter. 用一个花形的模具在火腿片上切出几朵花的形状。Add a few pieces of boiled broccoli to be the bushes. 将煮过的西兰花摆在花的旁边，作为灌木丛。One strawberry cut into half and then cut each half into a heart shape. That way, you add more content onto your plate as well as more nutrition. 再将一个草莓从中间切开，再切成2个心形，这样不仅给盘子上增加了一点内容，也多增加了一点营养。Last but not least, I use my leftover apple to make a pair of shoes. 最后，我用刚才的苹果切出了一双鞋子的形状。Ta-da! A fun, easy, and yet nutritious breakfast is ready. And it didn't take me long at all. It's just 20 minutes, and my daughter loved it as always. And also, I made a steamed egg for her and a cup of milk. 在旁边的碗里是一个蒸蛋，还有一杯牛奶。This is the fun breakfast she made for me. 这是她帮我做的童趣早餐。
天，你的早饭好吃吗？What did you eat?
I ate Dora the Explorer.
That was yummy.
Yeah.
Finish your milk. 蒸蛋好吃吗？吃不下了是吗？OK. 哇。OK. Bye bye.